Let's move on. Let's talk about the decorators. Class, class methods, abstract methods, property, static methods, class-based decorators. Class-related decorators. Okay, practical task 1, we are given the description. You need to create abstract class vehicle in classes car, motorcycle, truck, bus that are inherited from vehicle. Class vehicle accepts the following parameters. Brand name should be string. Year of issue should be integer. Base price integer. Mileage integer. Here you can see the example values. Honda 2020 1,010,000. Okay, and there the following method should be implemented. Vehicle type returns a string. The type of the vehicle in the following pattern brand name plus name of the class. For example, Toyota car, Suzuki motorcycle. Like brand name and then name itself. Okay, and each motorcycle return the boolean value depends on the amount of wheels. It could be 2 wheels if this is a motorcycle, or car, and 4 wheels for car. And then purchase price returns the price of the vehicle. Base price minus 0.1 multiply mileage. If the result price is less than 100,000, method should return 100,000. Yeah. Put the following decorators where the necessary, like abstract method, class methods, static methods, property, and others. And here is example. We create a vehicle type of tuple, and we have 4 vehicles: car, motorcycle, truck, and bus. For each we pass it arguments, brand name, year, base price, mileage, and then we iterate our vehicles for each vehicle. In vehicles, print vehicle type, is this a motorcycle or not, and purchase price. And here we can see the results, like if this is a first Toyota car, we are checking is motorcycle, false, this is not motorcycle, and purchase price is 985. And here you can see base price and purchase price. What is the purchase price? It's actually base price minus 0.1 multiplied by mileage. And in this case, if this value surpasses the 100,000, we should return 100,000 always. Okay, how we can do this, how we can implement. Firstly, let's call the abstract class and abstract method to create our vehicle class inherited from abstract class, and we will initialize brand name as a string, year of issue as an integer, base price also as an integer, and mileage integer here. And then we should create new function or new method, wheels number. This is just the abstract class. We can just write path because it will be implemented in our car, like in our classes, like car, motorcycle. And here you should create a new function, vehicle type, and return the brand name and class name, like here. brand name plus name of the class. How we can get the name of the class? Just simple, class and name. And for checking is motorcycle, we should check the wheels number. Like if the wheels number is equals to 2, it should return true, it's a motorcycle. Otherwise false, it's not a motorcycle. And also purchase price method that will return the float. This is a price, base price minus 0.1 multiplied by millage, and we are checking here maximum it should be 100,000. If price is more than 100,000, it will return the 100,000. And here we return the maximum price, like price of the purchase and 100,000. We should check, we should get maximum value, because it said here if the result price is less than 100,000, message should return 100,000 always. So it will return the 100,000 in case price is less. Okay, now let's create the classes car, motorcycle, truck, and bus inherited from vehicle. And here we call the wheels number, and here on property we will return the 4, because car has a 4 wheels. For motorcycle 2, for truck 10, and for bus 6. And this property will check here our abstract method wheels number, and this property wheels number is from here our abstract method. Let's see the results. Task. Return a 4. Let's test it out. Simply copy this. We are given now uncomment vehicle 4 and done. Now we can call our function or call our module. Let's here, and we got the results. Vehicle type Toyota car, is motorcycle, false, and purchase price 985,000.0 and etc. all of them.